एक्चुअल में ये तो हमारे दादा जी की विरासत है। दादा के टाइम से हमारी ये पुरखों की ज़मीन है। ये इसमें दरवाजे खिड़कियाँ वगैरह जो लगी है यूपीवीसी की, वो एक एक्स्ट्रा हुआ है, यहाँ पर किसी के पास नहीं है, किसी ने नहीं है ये चीज़ें लगाई। और जो डिज़ाइन किया वो इस तरह का डिज़ाइन यहाँ पर है नहीं है, ख़ासतौर पर शिमला डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कहीं भी नहीं होगा।
Hi, I am Pooja Jain, partner and lead designer at Studio Raw Designs. We are based out of Gurgaon, and I, along with Gaurav, have been practicing since a decade. So we do product designing to residential and hospitality. Since this site was very exciting, it has a very good range of topography, and as we know, it is quite in the middle of the Himachal Pradesh. Narkanda is especially, this city is quite unexplored and untouched.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Chaudhary, Principal Architect and Partner of Studio Raw Designs. So client came to us with the vision of making a homestay in the mountains, and we got excited about that because we, being a mountain lover, we always wanted to do project in Himalayas. So we got an opportunity for that. So this is the main entrance of the building. So we have two villas on each side, and this is the main entrance porch, we would say. From where we enter to the building, and then when we go ahead, so there's entrance to villa number 1 and this villa number 2. So in this, if you can see this arch, so we have highlighted this door with some patterns, groove patterns we have taken, brick patterns we have taken, and this arch is creating, highlighting this main door.
And we had this brief outline from the client that they had to build something for a homestay where they can just give it to an Airbnb and run it as their own business. So we have used this space for drivers, cabin, kitchen, and the servants' stay. So from here there is also this slope going on towards downward where you enter. So it's like creating a private zone which will not hamper the area which is on the upper floors. So they get to work in a different area. A person stands from here, you get a direct view, creating, it's almost, it looks like it is a frame which is capturing the mountains. So there is this core area where you have the sitting space, a small pantry area. There is this small sitting dining area. Here you enter to the bedroom 1. So from here there is this arch-shaped entryways for you to get a feeling of you have entered a place of where you can, where there is a huge space, and then from here you can enter and see the whole building. Washroom area, then this lounge. This lounge basically has the sloping roof effect from this false ceiling. We have not given any kind of false ceiling. It is kind of an open draw ceiling where you can feel the sloping roof of the building. And from here, the passage is behind it. So from here there is this cute little attic space for kids play area kind of a thing. So we tried to make most of the space, also achieving it functionally.
So the most challenging part was constructing a building within the pandemic time, because Himachal border were closed, and whatever the guidelines were provided by the government, so we followed all those, and somehow we entered the border and came to site for the smooth construction process which was going on the site.
Fenesta is the leading door window manufacturer, and we really experimented with a lot of designs with Fenesta, and we kind of almost all achieved it. Whether it's to be with the heights and the spans, the glass which Fenesta use is really proper because it really balance out the temperatures, the inside and out temperatures. It feels, especially in the hilly regions in the mountains, you can almost feel some degrees of change inside from what we feel outside.
हाँ, इस घर की जो खासियत है इसका जो मेन गेट है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, और मैंने पहले भी बताया कि जो ये खिड़की दरवाजे वगैरह जो लगे हुए हैं ये एक एक्स्ट्रा आइटम है, यहाँ कहीं भी नहीं है किसी के पास, और हमने ये विला टाइप बनाया है, वो ज़्यादा बेटर है।
So when we are in the room, so we wanted that indoor-outdoor connectivity should be maintained. So for that we always wanted a big huge windows. So Fenesta was capable of doing all those windows.
आगे हम सोच रहे हैं और भी इस तरह की प्रॉपर्टी बनाएं।